Roots and rocks, they bind me to the soil. And step by step I make my way from Chicago. Storm clouds and flies drift to touch my skin. And all the while my heart is touched by a piece of twine. It's not entangled for miles. Be the ground beneath my feet and move me. Be the ground beneath my feet and move me. Spiders spin their webs fervently from trunk to trunk, stretching miles from conifer to redwood. And the aphids will bow the web with legs so sweet. Soon you'll hear a choir moving mountains, and the air will be the ground beneath my feet and be the ground beneath my feet and move me, and move me, oh, and move me. Though the ones that draw the lines of contact between us won't always shepherd insects through forests feed us, I will never stop searching for the trail that I will climb your web to the top of the world.